Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Flexbox tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn more about the align items property. So we still have this Twitter replica example, and we want to use the align items property for this on the follow button element, and we want to set the value to center. So we can see here, let's look at the HTML first. The follow button is this button we have here. And when you look at the CSS property, we have to display flex. So it stretches the entire height of it. So we can put align items center to have a more centered focus and less of a stretch. There we go. Look here, it doesn't have that stretch anymore and it looks more cleaner. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.